we're gonna take you through how to draw Plankton from SpongeBob. He's my coolest character by far. He's awesome. He's the best. Okay, so let's start off by drawing Plankton's body. So we're gonna draw him on the right side of the page, but we're gonna leave some space for his long antennae. So we want to make sure we have some space at the top of the page here. So we're going to start about almost like halfway down, okay? And we're going to leave some space down here for his legs, okay? So let's remember we need to put his legs down here. So we're going to start about halfway, and we're going to almost draw like a peanut shape, like a little bit of a peanut shape. And we're going to stop and leave some space for his arm, continue down, draw his leg, little pointy leg, and then we're going to draw his body. It's going to come all the way back up. It's going to go all the way around, back like that. That's it. All right, so now we have his main body. Perfect. Let's put his other leg in place right here. Give his other leg down here. That's it. Okay. And then he has two arms. So halfway from the top to the bottom of his body, his arms start about halfway up. So we're going to draw a line this way. And then he has kind of like a little fist going with the little finger there. And on this side, he has another long arm. And then he has kind of like a fist going with a little thumb there. And then Plankton has a huge eyeball, but the eyeball sits about at the top of his head. You don't want to go too low, because you need room for his big mouth down here. So let's do like an eyeball at the top. So he has an eyebrow. So we're going to draw an eyeball almost fully like a circle, but we're going to leave a little bit of space for his eyebrow. That's it. Let's draw his eyebrow in like this. And where his eyebrow is going to go over his head. And we're going to do another line parallel to that line. That's it. And then he has kind of like a little, couple little shapes like this, hanging off like that. All right. And then in the middle of his eyeball, he has a little, his pupil is there. So we're going to do a circle shape and then a small one in the middle of it. That's his eyeball. All right, now let's draw his face, because he's like, it looks like he almost got the secret formula, so he's all super happy. So let's draw his mouth, but let's remember we have a little bit of space at the bottom of his body, so we don't want to go all the way to the bottom. We want to go almost halfway. So we're going to start over here by his arm, and we're going to do like a U shape like this. And on these sides, we're going to do his little side cheeks. All right, let's do his side cheeks. And then we're going to connect the top, and it's going to kind of follow his eyeball shape like that. And the same kind of curve as his eyeball shape. And he has teeth, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's draw his teeth at the top and at the bottom. So let's draw like a little row of teeth like this, with a few lines like this. There's some top teeth, and then let's draw some bottom teeth down here, like that. And he has like a little bottom lip shape, so we're going to do a little shape like that. And he has a tongue, so his tongue is going to kind of have like a little, almost like a heart shape that's hidden in there, almost like part of a heart. That's it. Okay, look, we almost have his whole body in here, but we're missing his antennae. And actually, let's finish his like nose here, a little bit of like a nose here, just underneath the eyeball. Okay, and then his antennae are going to kind of, one's going to be here on his right side of his head, which is our left. So we're going to do kind of like a pointy, spiky shape like this. And then he has like these little bars that go through his antennae. And he has like 4 shapes. So we're gonna put 4 bars like that. That's it, 4 bars. And then on the other side of his head, pointing the other direction, is another, almost like a horn. That's his antennae. And if you match the same angle and the same distance away from this one here, he has 4 shapes on that side. And then let's just go ahead. We'll color in these shapes here. Fill those in. All right. Is that working out, Juliana?
Yep.
How's that going? Good?
Yep.
All right, so we'll fill those in, and then we'll fill in his eyebrow, because his eyebrow is black. So we'll fill that in. And that's pretty much the shape of Plankton. So I think we got it. Here, use my marker. This one's running out. Use mine. Yeah, that's so much better.
Yep.
Yeah, yours was running out. That's all right, though. All right, cool. All right, now that we're done markering Plankton in, that looks really cool. Look how close this is. Awesome. Yours is actually better than mine. So now we're gonna go in and fill in using color, and we're gonna color in Plankton, and we're gonna speed that up for you guys to see how it looks. All right, here we go. So we just showed you how to draw Plankton using a black Sharpie, and we colored him in with some green, some yellow, some orange, some pink, and he looks really cool now, and I think yours looks awesome as well as ours does, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yours is cool too. So take a look at it, love it, and keep practicing, because you're gonna get better the more you practice.
We'll see you next time.
All right, see you friends, bye.